to go.
Whoa.
As we roll down this unfamiliar road, and although this wave is stringing us along,
I like his tone.
just know you're not alone.
Okay, buddy.
'Cause I'm gonna make this place your home.